Okay, everyone, welcome to the video. Okay, time to log in.
Бой начинается.
Двигатель в форсированном режиме.
Y'all get me, because Boise. What's Boise? Bro, what? Yo, that's not supposed to be that's a tier 7? Bro, that's not supposed to be a tier 7, dude. We need Pantalones. Nelson. Oh god. I honestly think Rodney's better. Cause like, if you get up close and like, you get up close, the reload booster on Collingwood is good. But with Nelson, all you have is a super heal, right? What's this dude's super heal? Damn! But you get like a super heal, right? And then Rodney, you get torpedoes. So you get up close, you fuck him up. Actually, Rodney's torpedoes go 10 kilometers, so longer than these ones.
Обнаружены силы противника.
Oh, they're gonna. Yo, are you serious right now? Bro, leave me alone, bro. It's Indianapolis, isn't it? Bro, please.
Двигатель в штатном режиме.
Bro, they're gonna run out. Yeah, they missed anyways. But they would have.
Турбогенератор запущен.
Oh man. What a waste of a smoke screen, am I right?
Установка дымов завершена. Двигатель в форсированном режиме.
Noob Scheinhorst? What's this dude doing, bro? What the hell? Bro, our whole team is falling in. Are you serious? Yeah, you ain't hitting shit, boy. You ain't hitting shit. going fast as fuck. See, you ain't hitting shit, bro. Yo. P Frederick now. P, you ain't hitting shit, bro. This dude dead? Yo.
Наша команда получила преимущество.
Yo, get away from my base, bro. Dude, you guys ain't hitting shit.
Двигатель в штатном режиме.
Should I do that? Bro, I'm tempted to do that shit again. Why am I... Oh my god, Indianapolis, you son of a bitch. And my booster just ran out. Oh, come on, bro, let me kill him. Man, you ain't hitting shit, little bro.
Вражеский крейсер потоплен.
The hell you think you was doing? Get the fuck away from my base, bitch. Oh shit. Oh shit, man.
Торпеды слева по борту.
What your bitch ass gonna do? You better die. Fucking dumbass boy.
Команда близка к победе.
Крейсер противника уничтожен.
You ain't hitting shit, little bro. See you what? See you later, little bro.
Двигатель в форсированном режиме.
See you later, little bro. Fuck out of my game. Yo, I actually love Leningrad. Yo, that's actually, bro. I think I know the tech because I always going way too close, bro. I can't do that because then I'll just get like targeted by literally everyone. Fucking 3 destroyed, bro. How? All right. Thank y'all for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and be ready for more of this shit talks about. Peace, boys.